how to turn paper into a 350Z. After 5 years in film school, a double hip replacement, and in desperate need of exercise, I had an opportunity that I couldn't turn down, and that was spending my summer as mechanic as I met some crazy people, found some awesome rides, and some really interesting deals as we flipped our way up to acquiring some cars that I could only ever dream of. So enjoy the ride. I hope you enjoy the series, and there's a lot of videos to come. So thanks for watching. There's a lot of fucking money.
But you're gonna have fun.
Dude.
I really want to see pink cherry blossoms on it.
That's going to happen.
I think that should be your first mod.
That is absolutely what is going to happen. Well, I think we're about to be 0 for 2. The kid just texted me back and said he was asking $5,500, originally $7,000, took it down to $5,500. I talked him down to $4,500 on the phone. He said he would take it. We drive all the way across town. And now he says, well, I don't want to sell it for that cheap. I've got somebody that'll pay $5,500 for it. I said, okay, well, I've already got the money out of the bank. I'm on the way. I'm on that side of town. What if I did $5,500? Can I still come at least take a look at it? And he's not responding. Maybe 0 for 2 on the fun drift car. Oh well, we'll see. Keep you guys updated. Take a video of it. Oh yeah, you called it. Those are XXRs.
Are they XXRs?
Yeah.
They look just like the ones I have on my LS430.
They're just. I bought them off of Facebook Marketplace for $250 for all four. And then, yeah, they're tins. And then I took a sander and I tried to sand down, like you can kind of tell this.
Rub.
Yeah, I tried to sand down some of the rash on it, but it's a little dirty inside. So.
Oh, that's okay. No, I know that you just posted it.
Yeah.
Can we pop the hood?
Yeah. Oh, the door. I forgot about that. This pops up.
Oh, is the handle
So you have to
need to be
just
fixed?
push it right here and then pop it up and then it opens.
Well, we run a shop together, so
Okay.
what we would do is probably go through and fix a lot.
Well, I might get your guys'
lot
shop.
of things.
and
Yeah,
everything, 'cause
absolutely. Yeah, he does all kinds of stuff. He's master mechanic.
In the car world for years. Yeah. Like I said, right now I've got LS400 and LS430.
Yeah.
And those are just my dailies.
That's what I'm saying. He needs a new
Airbox.
airbox. Because
Just do
Ooh,
aftermarket
yeah.
area.
Yeah.
the mechanic didn't put the piece back in and he lost it. And I was just didn't do it.
Yeah.
Looks pretty dark.
It's not bad.
Any head gasket issues or anything like that?
Sometimes that's a bitch to get back in there.
Right.
It's just on all three 650s. You have to push it from the side like this. Like it go back in.
And you've had it about 2 years?
Yeah, I had this for 2 years. The guy that had it before me said it was in a garage
Yeah.
most of his life. He was on a farm or something. He wanted the LS swap it, but his wife was like, no, we don't use granola ones.
Yeah.
I replaced the gasket sills on replaced those like 1 month ago. I can start.
What's up, everybody? So, filling up a car. Guess what? We got us a 350Z! Hell yeah! We're making moves! Making moves in this crazy world. Interior is not shabby.
Let's say interior's pretty good.
Interior's pretty good, yeah.
Just a few little things we gotta replace, but that's it. But other than that, she'll clean up real good.
Yeah.
Real good. Oh, it's too fast for me. Look at the smile on her face. She's liking this. All right, pulling her into the neighborhood. She made it home. So we know at least she runs and drives. I know for a fact when we get out of that car, her face is going to be grinning from ear to ear. Look at that. Even that motorcycle gave you a good head nod on that car. All right, let's get her opinion and reaction. I know it's going to be a good one. What'd you think?
I think we need some brakes.
Yeah.
And I think at a little over 100, she kind of hiccups a little bit.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I think it's probably that air intake.
Oh, yeah. You got a little skid plate on the bottom here, just a plastic thing we can take off.
Okay.
That's scraping.
She's fun though.
I've tried to record it several times, and I apparently didn't know how to hit the record button. But I got some stuff.
That's cool. We'll get plenty of video.
In the rear end of the car.
Yeah.
And I'm assuming it's because of that slave cylinder.
Yeah.
There's a puff of smoke. It's almost kind of like it's on the clutch, but it's not coming out the exhaust.
Yeah.
I've tried to get it caught on camera.
Here, do you want to hop in?
Oh no, we'll show the kids and Ashley and.
My brother's wanting to see it. He lives
Oh,
a
really?
mile and a half. Just
Oh,
down the
okay.
road, so.
Let me go get Ashley and show her real quick.
Yeah.
Okay. What'd you think though?
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so much fun. It's so much fun. Yeah, I'm gonna let you drive it, but it needs brakes like immediately.
It needs a lot of things.
Yeah.
But she'll be a fun car. You look good in her.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Yeah. I kind of feel like, I feel the.
This one was meant to be.
Yes, it was. Yeah, it was.
I want to see cherry blossoms on it.
But
Cherry blossoms on
now
it.
now I own 4 cars. We gotta get rid of them.
You gotta get rid of some
We
now.
gotta get rid of them.
I own
Okay. That's okay.
1, 2, 3,
I know.
4. I own 4 cars.
Yeah, we got more cars than we know what to do with now. So.
Yeah, we got too many cars out here now. Look at that.
Oh shit.
E-brake don't work.
Barely works.
Well, it's probably because those pads are pretty much toast.
Yeah.
Park it in the driveway. Do a donut. Hell yeah, right next to the Lexus. Sounds pretty good. Sounds like there's an exhaust leak though.
Probably.
Uh-oh. You heard the car. Come look. Is that cool?
Stop making a sound.
Go look at it. What do you think? Hey.
Oh my god! Hi!
Hey,
What are you doing?
I just came by to do
is it?
She just bought a car.
I figured.
Here, go ahead and shut her off and hang out here for just a minute.
She's loud, isn't she?
Yeah, we're gonna. It needs some TLC. But
Oh man.
That is definitely a midlife crisis.
are we gonna go buy you a 350Z now?
No, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm starting to do the freak out mode. I don't know what's going to happen next.
Kind of neat. I like it. I like it.
What, 5x114?
I didn't even look at the wheel size. I just
Well, I think they're. What are they? I was gonna say, what size are they? I'm gonna say 19s. Well, look, it's gonna make me bend over. I'm not gonna bend over that far. All right, take your guess.
18s.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, that's what I have on that one right now. Is 18s or 17s. I can't remember if they're 17s or 18s, but I want to put 19s on that one. But I really thought about putting these exact wheels on that one because I've got the. I mean, if you look at those wheels up there,
Yeah.
and these ones, I think they're the exact same wheel. But that's what's on my 430.
Oh yeah.
And I thought about taking those wheels and putting them on here, but I don't think 20s will fit that. Plus, those
Yeah.
are 20 by 10s, which are the. You have the exact same wheels as me. Mine
That's
are silver,
crazy.
yours are black.
Yeah.
Like, that's the only difference.
That's crazy.
And I changed out the center caps so I could run a Stance Life.
Would it
Japanese.
look stupid to powder coat them like a cherry blossom pink to go with the cherry blossom?
Dude, fuck yeah, that'd be dope. Gay! Why powder coat? We can just paint them.
Yeah. Yeah, we could do that.
Why not?
Yeah.
Hola. You look cute.
All right, I'm sorry I bought another car. You like it?
No, I really do.
Cool.
Yeah. I drive somewhere.
And I figured we needed a
You
fun.
gotta shake your head though.
No,
Not a manual.
I don't want one, but now I want one. I want a fast car.
You want every.
Well, you'll get to drive it.
No, but I want a fast car.
Yeah. We'll
I
get,
like my cruisers. Don't fucking get
Right.
me wrong.
You can trade.
well, we've got
No.
a vehicle for just about any need now. We got a truck. We got an SUV. We got a great gas-saving Elantra. We got a sports car. Wait,
Got a
we got
VIP
we got
cruiser.
another Elantra.
We got a cruiser. Hell, I got my other Yakuza cruiser in the shop.
Yeah.
Which I do think I'm going to start working on that here before too long. Maybe 3 in. All right, ready? 1. Wait. 1, 2, 3. There we go. High five. High five.
Dizzy.
High five.
That got me really good. Really, really good.
Did that get all your bedtime jitters and all the energy out?
No, it gave her more energy.
Probably did.
Oh.
Are we at the car lot or something?
I know. Right?
Right.
No, Bree bought this car.
Yeah.
Picked it up, now bought.
All right.
What is it?
That's a Nissan 350Z. Do you remember the Datsun 240Zs and 300ZXs? That's what this is, except she bought this one. This one's hers. This is her fun project toy car. This. I doubt she'll do anything, but let's see. Why not? Let's get her messy.
Look at that. Look how grimy that is. Holy shit, just a once over.
that's just a test.
Yeah. Okay,
That's without
so
sand.
yeah, they clean up. They
I
clean
mean,
up.
it's black housing.
They clean up for sure. Damn. Bro, after this is like, after we wash this, oh my god. This is crazy.
Maybe a little bit more visibility.
That's amazing. Shit. Oh yeah, baby. JDM life. Coca life racing.
Coca Life Racing.
サブスクリバトゥ滑空ライフレーシング
It's like brand new.
No, not anywhere close to that, but it looks better.
It looks a hell of a lot better.
Oh my God! Wow!
Damn. I wonder if it'll actually tighten or if it'll just sit here and spin.
It should tighten. You got it threaded. Now, if that's going into an aluminum part, don't
Yeah.
go crazy.
Okay. Oh.